First, ensure your 2006 GMC Yukon or Yukon XL is off and parked safely. Open the rear hatch to access the third brake light, located either behind the glass or within the spoiler. Depending on your model, you'll need a screwdriver or socket set to remove any trim panels or the spoiler itself. Unscrew the fasteners, typically Phillips or Torx screws. Once accessible, disconnect the wiring harness. It's usually a simple plug. For models with bulbs, twist and pull the bulb socket to remove the old bulb. If it's a full assembly, unfasten any clips or bolts securing it. Remember to handle electrical components with care to avoid short circuits. With the old light removed, install the new bulb or LED assembly by inserting it into the socket. LEDs are increasingly popular for their energy efficiency and longevity, lasting up to 50,000 hours compared to halogens. Secure the wiring, ensuring a firm connection. Replace any trim panels or the spoiler, tightening the fasteners. Test the functionality by turning on the brake lights and cycling the brakes multiple times. Ensure the light is properly aligned to prevent water leaks and maximize visibility. If using LEDs, check the polarity to avoid flickering. Regularly inspect the light's functionality to ensure it continues to operate correctly, enhancing your safety on the road. Statistics show functioning third brake lights reduce rear-end collisions, making this a crucial maintenance task.